Mastering time-related prepositional phrases. Hello learners, and welcome to our today's English language learning video. We'll be delving into the world of time-related prepositional phrases. These are incredibly handy tools that can help you express when something happens with clarity and precision. So, without further ado, let's get started. Time-related prepositional phrases are phrases that begin with a preposition and help to denote when something happens. They consist of a preposition, a noun or pronoun, the object of the preposition, and any other associated adjectives or adverbs. Examples include phrases like, at night, in the morning, on Tuesday, or during the summer. Each of these phrases gives us information about when something occurs. Let's move on to some common prepositions used in these phrases. We often use at, on, and in when talking about time. At is typically used with specific times on the clock, times of the day, and holidays without day in the name, like at 7 p.m., at sunrise, at Christmas. On is used with specific dates, days of the week, and holidays with day in the name, like on Tuesday, on my birthday, on New Year's Day. In is used for months, years, seasons, and periods of time, such as in June, in 2023, in summer, or in the 21st century. Now that we know the basics, let's look at examples of these time-related prepositional phrases in sentences. She usually goes for a walk at dawn. They will host a party on New Year's Day. We went on a trip in 2022. Note how these phrases give you clear, specific information about when each action occurred. While these rules generally apply, English is a language full of exceptions. Here are a couple to keep in mind. We say, at night, but in the morning, afternoon, evening. For weekend, we use on for specific days, like on Saturday, but at for the entire weekend, at the weekend in UK English, or on the weekend in US English. And there we have it, a crash course on time-related prepositional phrases. Practice these by incorporating them into your daily English conversation and writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy studying!